In this video, we will see how to fix if hotspot stuck while disconnecting on Windows 11 and Windows 10. When you try to disconnect hotspot and it is stuck, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open control panel in your system. And here, look for the option Windows Defender Firewall. Open it. Here, from the left side, you will find the option Restore Defaults. Click on it and restore default settings. Restoring default settings will remove all Windows Defender firewall settings that you have configured for all network locations. Choose restore defaults and check whether your hotspot stuck on disconnecting error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, go for the section network adapter section, expand it. Right click on your network adapter driver, Realtek driver, and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Close the one more workaround on this page. Simply right click on your network adapter driver and choose properties. And here from the top menu bar, go to driver and choose rollback driver. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. So choose rollback network adapter driver and check whether your error regarding hotspot resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Reset your network. Right click on start button and choose settings. You may press I shortcut key to open settings page. Here from the left side, choose network and internet. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and you will find the option advanced network settings. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option network reset. Click on it and finally choose reset now. Reset network settings. This method will definitely resolve your issue. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open settings page on your system. Right click on start button and choose settings. Choose settings and here from the left side, scroll down and click on Windows Update. From the right side, choose check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it. And again go to update history, scroll down and choose uninstall updates. Here go to your recently installed updates. After that your problem starts, then uninstall recently installed Windows Update. Simply choose uninstall button against update and restart your system. Your problem regarding hotspot struck while disconnecting